Star allies are magic now. Do you know the power you have? Can you feel the magic that is inside of you? Come with us and you'll understand. You are powerful if you just believe that it's true. It's amazing what you can do. Star always your magic now. Star always will show you how. Come with us and see the amazing things you can be. Star always together we're strong. Come and join our song. You're a star ally from now on. 'Cause you have the power in you, friend. Sun's in the sky, oh I, when I wanna be anywhere else. It's another one of those dark cards. I better follow it. Dude, this is way faster. Come on, come on, come on, come on! It's too fast. I better go tell the other star allies. Found them yet, baby Mario, baby? I should have guessed. You could be concerned about our hats if you want to, baby Luigi. I'm focused on beating this level. Damn it! Same spot. Third time's the charm, I guess. What the hell? Aw, oh, come on, man. Just help me find our hats. Guys, where's Mario? In the other room, I guess. Alright, thanks. Now let's go look for our hats. Aw, he's so cute. I know, right? Guys! We need Meta Knight. Kirby? What's wrong? I saw one of those dark hearts. Those dark hearts are everywhere. I know. We have to find Meta Knight so we can figure out what's going on. Finding me will be easy. But telling you what's going on will be rather difficult. Well, I can say you're one for impeccable timing. Thank you, Kirby. These dark hearts, I haven't seen them for millennia. The Jamba Heart is the source of all of this. But what could have triggered its power? The Jamba Heart? That's what the Jambastion Empire calls the Dark Heart. The Jambastion Empire? What? Yes, a race known for causing destruction throughout Dreamland. Maybe if we can find the book, maybe it'll give us more information all about the Jambastion Empire. Okay, that is way too good to be true. But it is, Kirby. No more stalling. We need to go. But go where? To the sacred square. The voice of nature can tell us what we need to do. What is the voice of nature? It's Meta Knight. He knows everything. Let's go. Okay, then. So, Meta Knight, what do we do? Shh. Just sit quietly and let the voice of nature talk. The wind flows in the direction of truth. The birds sing a beautiful song of hope. The flowers give life and birth to Dreamland. And the trees, they give us a chance to connect and breathe with nature. Now, I must sit back and let the voice of nature tell me what to do. Star allies, try to connect with nature. I feel it. I see the beauty of nature. The flowers, the trees, The birds. It's all so beautiful. Flowers, give us a sign. What's going on? Give us information on the dark heart. It's coming. What's coming? It's after us. It knows what we were trying to do. Then we have to fight back. The dark heart senses positive energy. We can't fight it. We just have to evacuate. Run! Luigi, come on!
Come on, buddy, let's go!
Susie, come on. Let's get out of here. I can hold it off. Just get out of here. Meta Knight! Kirby, no! He might get corrupted. But this just happened. Maybe I can use my element to heal him. Come on, come on, come on. Meta Knight, are you okay? Kirby, I'm fine. Just get out of here before the Dark Heart's influences affect you. Okay, but are you sure? Yes, just go. Ugh.